Hi and welcome back. So I thought to use this few minutes to introduce us to chTGPT. I know a lot of us have heard of chTGPT, but as at the time I recorded this YouTube transformation course, there was no chTGPT. And so I think I gave a previous AI software or application where we can, generate headlines and descriptions to our YouTube page. But I want you to know that chTGPT has come in the most disruptive and positive way that I know of, if you can take advantage of it. And so chTGPT as a whole will help you to do so many things, and I'm going to be showing you today. So for the sake of those who don't know chTGPT, so you go to your Google, your search engine, and so here's it. Even before you're done typing, you see chat.openai.com // chat. Yeah. So you click on this, already signed up, and it is free. You will see that the logo is green here. But at the time you want to commence, the interface is purple-like. And so this is what chTGPT, I've been using free version for as long as I know. If you notice here, it says upgrade to plus. For me, the level of the operations I do does not warrant me to upgrade to plus, but you can upgrade to plus and see the amazing things there. And so say, for instance, you also need to understand your niche. So I don't know if I mentioned, I think in some part of the video, I mentioned that you need to have a niche. Now, let's take, for instance, when people visit your YouTube page, they should expect a particular thing. And if you are diversified, you should explain to them in your bio that what you'll be talking about, like I posted, is going to be based on business, technology, and soft skill. And so if you're going to talk about life as a whole, you need to put it so that they expect things around life from you. And so how do you gain people to follow you? You should also know that you follow people for a particular reason, because you like their content, because they are making a lot of sense. Sometimes if you make sense, you don't need to start struggling for people to, stay and watch what you do. And I should let you know that everything is a gradual process. So you can't start YouTube channel today and just hit it. So before I recorded this course, as at the time I recorded this course, you just have to have like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now there's also another option, which is let me quickly check. You need to have, if you can create YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts is just 60 seconds. If you can create YouTube shorts, let me see. You can create YouTube shorts. You don't need 4,000 watch hour. So yes. Okay, I'm currently, yes. So if you create YouTube shorts, if you have 10 million views, if you have 10 million views, your YouTube can be monetized. And so these days you see people do a lot of short videos and they get amazing views. So you can decide to do 60 seconds YouTube shorts daily. And one of the things about YouTube shorts is that people quickly see you on that, like hashtag or no hashtag. I did recently one short like that, and in a day, I don't think it was up to 24 hours, I had 100 views. I was like, so this is how. So I'm now in between. Should I continue my journey on the normal 4,000 watch hour, or should I just start another because I have my hands tied, so I have a lot of things I'm doing. So currently I have over 1,000 subscribers, which yes. And so I have 3,645 public watch hours. I only have about 355 to go. But I have so much I'm doing that I'm trying to juggle which one comes first. So yeah, I also need to let you know that you have the options between shorts, YouTube shorts, and also 4,000 watch hour. And between you and I really think that the public shorts, that YouTube shorts really makes sense, and it's easy to get 10 million views, given that you have a particular niche. Now, a lot of people ask me, like, what niche can they work on? And I need to let you know that if you're creating a YouTube channel, you just have to be very authentic. And if you're going to be teaching people based on a particular thing, you need to have mastered that thing, or you need to have um, gone through the process. Let's take, for instance, let's say your niche is maybe gadgets or electronics. You need to have made use of it before you can, advise people, recommend it. Because if you recommend something, at the end of the day, they're not able to make use of it, or the thing has error, then it would be bad for your YouTube channel. Now, here is one thing that chTGPT can do for you. Now, I'm going to give you the prompt. What niche can I start on YouTube? Now, let me just stop generating so I could make do with it says that when deciding on a niche for your YouTube channel, it is important to consider your interests, expertise, and the potential audience you want to get. Here are a few steps to help you find suitable niche. You identify your passion and expertise, what you really like about, what is so convenient for you to talk about. Then you research market demand. Whatever you're starting, someone have started it before. Look at what they are currently demanding to see. Look at what your competitors are not doing, and see how you can refine your own. As a matter of fact, what they've done before, you can redo it, and then, the face is different. Your experience on that is different. And so your headlines might be different. Your description might be different. And so narrow down your niche. After assessing market demand, consider narrowing down your niche to target a more specific audience. For example, instead of broad topic like cooking, you could focus on vegan recipe. So for example, a lot of people are doing like online cooking. So you might want to focus on a particular you might want to do like seafood alone. So when you post, people are expecting just seafood from you. So if you're also going to talk about business, a lot of people are talking about business. You can talk about maybe for human resource, you can talk about maybe financials, you can talk about, it depends on the aspect of business you want to talk about, carving a niche. And that's why I say very, very important. When people know you for a particular thing, people tend to say, when I come here, I will always meet this. And when you start talking on a particular thing, you start seeing that sometimes you don't even need to think of the topic to teach. A lot of people would be asking you in the comment section that, can you do something like this for me? So consider your skills and resources, and passion and consistency. And so let's take, for instance, your niche is to talk about business. So here we're going to go. So you want to talk about business, but you don't have an idea. I want to talk about business. My niche is, or let's say my YouTube niche is business. Can you give me topic ideas? You can decide to quote this business here, And then you click here, search. So in order to manage time, let me just stop generating. Now, business is a broad niche. So here are some topics within the business category for your YouTube channel. Number one, you can decide to talk about entrepreneurship. You can share advice, tips, strategies for aspiring entrepreneurs, maybe based on your own story, your journey. You can cover topics such as starting a business, finding funding, business plans, overcoming challenges, how more you can like capital to start a small business, business ideas and opportunities. You can share, you can explore and discuss various business ideas and opportunities, including emerging trends, niche markets, and the like. Small business management, you can provide guidance on managing and growing a small business, covering such area. You can talk about so many things. See, they're giving you ideas of what you can talk of. So now let's talk, for instance, you want to talk about business and you're going to talk about entrepreneurship. Now, after you must have said, okay, I want to talk about entrepreneurship, then you're looking for headline to use. Now, you can say, I need a headline for a YouTube video. Titled My Business Journey. Now, you can generate more, you can type more, you need more. Yeah, you see? So giving you options to choose from, you can say behind the scenes, unveiling my remarkable business journey. A roller coaster ride, my business journey unveiled. Lessons learned, my extraordinary business journey. From start to triumph, my business journey revealed. Embracing challenges, the story of my business journey. Building dreams, unforgettable chapters of my business. And that's it. So let's take, for instance, you are going to pick this unveiling my remarkable business journey. And note that you can copy and paste. So you can now paste here for the description in your box. I hope you understand the description I'm talking about. Now, you say, because a lot of people too want to know, apart from seeing the headline, they also want to know what's the description, what are you sharing? Let me know if it's worth my time. I need a description, a YouTube description on this topic, on this headline, unveiling my business journey. So, yeah. Isn't it amazing that AI can help you think of topics, can help you think of headlines, it can help you think of description. And do you want to know the amazing thing? You can say, I need hashtag. I need hashtag for this. Okay, so sorry for the little break in transmission. And so okay, so welcome to my channel where I invite you to join me on an incredible journey through the ups and downs of my remarkable business ventures. In this series, I peel back the layers and share the raw, unfiltered truth behind my entrepreneurship path. Embark on an inspiring narrative as I recount the challenges, the triumphs, and pivotal movements that have shaped my success. From humble beginnings to significant milestones, each episode uncovers the lessons I have learned, the obstacles I have overcome, and the strategies I have employed to build a thriving business. And so this is really amazing that you can have a good description. And here, you need hashtags. You don't have to use all these hashtags. A minimum of, I think, 8 is okay for you to. So you can use all of this so people can feel like, I really need to know the road to success. Once they type it, you appear based on your hashtags. Now, for the sake of those who don't understand what descriptions and headline is, I'll quickly show to you. Say, for instance, I want to upload a video, and I select a file. Let's say that this is a video. Okay. Let's say I want to upload this. Now, the title is more like the headline. Yeah. So this description is what you'd write. This is the description that you want to write, and you can recreate it, you can edit, you can tweak. So you don't have to follow AI to do everything. They'll give you ideas and you can tweak. So this hashtag, you pick 5 that you want or 8 that you want, and then you add it to your description box here. Or so this interface is quite different. I have something called vidIQ there. It's also an integrated AI that helps me to generate hashtags and the likes. But I currently I didn't subscribe to, if you notice it's saying upgrade, so I didn't subscribe to it at all, because man, we have other options. So this one from here will get you an AI title recommendation. And also you can, I think I've taught you how to upload thumbnail to your video. Then your description can be here. And then so for any video you want to make, ensure you tick no, it's not made for kids, so that it won't be restricted. You can try to have different playlists you can create. So different videos I can tag it to the playlist of Krello Space, with Uju, with Eugene Network, or YED. So the other important part, so there are tags too. So this particular tag is mostly under this vidIQ, where you can, pick different tags that might help you. So tags can be useful if content of your video is commonly misspelled. Okay, this one is for misspelled, yeah. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers. So this basically has to do with, let's take, for instance, we're talking about beauty hacks, and someone wants to, search for you. So most of the content in your videos maybe talked about beauty, skin, beauty hacks, and all. So depending on what they search for, you can be found. So tags can be useful if content of your video is commonly misspelled and the likes. So when you have this here, it makes you more findable. So then just sharing with you what is very important. Allow your video and automation, whichever one you want here. What's the category of what you're teaching? Is it education? You can choose. The option is there. So you can allow comments. You can hold potential inappropriate for review. So you can hold comments. So it depends on the comments. If you want to allow all comments, that means people can tell you shit there. But if you don't want, you can hold potential inappropriate comment. Immediately you click here. Wait, let me see. Hold on. Hold on, comments for review. Disable comments. Okay, for this one, let me see. I think the option, there's a particular one where you can actually restrict. You can actually put the type of comments they shouldn't be able to type on your YouTube channel. But let's just move to the most important one. Hopefully, your video doesn't warrant people to say otherwise. So ensure that because YouTube will always check if your content is not for someone, because they are very, very keen on copyright infringement. And so they check, but while checking, you don't have to wait, because it will not post if they find anything wrong with it. So in order not to just keep yourself here, you click on next. So private means that you just want to have your videos on private. You don't want to share with anyone. And so it's only you and the people you choose that can watch this. So unlisted as well, anyone with the link can watch it. Anyone with the link can watch it. But if you don't give it to anyone, they cannot watch anything. And so unlisted is mostly used by by course creators. So if they don't have the platform to post to host their courses, they decide to use YouTube and then unlist it, and then they share the links once someone pays for it. Then public is for free. You want people to see your content out there, just put it on public. So if you are creating the content for people out there and you choose private and listed, no one will see it regardless of your hashtag. Then for this part, you can decide to schedule. When do you want to post it? You can decide to work on 5 videos per day. And yeah, so that's it. And also then let me not schedule. Let me just schedule them in. Okay, I don't want to schedule. Let me just go next. I don't want to schedule. So what do I do? Hold on, please. Okay. So save. This video is only visible to you. So here's it. So here's what I posted, but I want to delete it, please. So if you want to delete, you can't delete your videos on normal on the normal interface. You have to like go to your content. You have to go to YouTube Studio. Let me show you how to delete, because a lot of people find it difficult. Now this is you here, your profile. So let's go back to channel. Okay, so
do you desire a life of guaranteed and consistent income? Yes, in tech you can.
If you go to YouTube Studio, it is when you go to YouTube Studio that you go to content, and this is where you find all your contents, and then you click on this 3 dotted lines, and then click delete forever. You must click this and then delete forever. So deleted. So most of these videos are unlisted. They are unlisted. It's not for public views. And so you see the one that's for public, you see that they are getting these ones are not public. And then, yes. So that's about that. So so I don't know if I introduced to us, because
you desire a life of guaranteed and consistent income.
Now
yes,
I want to share a secret with us. There's an app called Bigvo. Bigvo. This Bigvo, no, this is not the Bigvo. I know my Bigvo when I see my Bigvo. Wait, let's see if this is it. Yeah, I think this is my Bigvo. So this particular Bigvo is a mobile teleprompter. Now, if you are that type that is shy of facing the camera, this is your solution. So this is like a mobile teleprompter. Now you can decide to have your content written down as a script, and then you copy it on your phone. You set your phone camera and your tripod stand or your ring light in order to have more appealing YouTube page. For you would advance over time, even if you don't have all the resources you want to use. Just start somewhere, but ensure you're giving value. And so you teleprompt your scripts. I really do not want to start going here, but let's see. I don't want to log on here, but this is just like a free one that I'm just letting you know. And so Bigvo, you put in your scripts there, you face the camera and start talking to the camera, and it will appear to people that you are saying the things from your heart and not from the phone. And so a lot of celebrities, a lot of media personalities, a lot of politicians make use of this, because sometimes you're not just in the mood to rack your brain or to practice some of the words you use. So in order to just, be fast and spontaneous in delivering excellent service, you can sometimes be practical. You can sometimes just decide to write your scripts down and then face the camera. So I hope I've been able to share valuable teaching in this particular session, and I wish us a very, very good I wish us a very good journey on our YouTube niche. And I'm not supposed to do this because this course is really, really, really very, very cheap. And I really think that I have been very explanatory, but you know what? I am that, what will I say? Generous to also put us through should we have questions. And so after watching this course, if you still feel the need to contact me and get your questions answered, or should you have any question, I will be ever ready to answer you. So do have an amazing day. Thank you.